Bonneville Salt Flats, a landscape thousands of years in the making. But how did 30,000 acres of salt end up in the Utah desert? 30,000 acres of brilliant white salt in the middle of the Utah desert? I mean, seriously, how did that happen? Well, the answer begins thousands of years ago with an ancient lake called Lake Bonneville. It was a massive inland lake that once covered much of the western Utah. And as the climate changed, the lake slowly disappeared, leaving behind one of the most unique landscapes on Earth. Join me as we explore the science, geology, and history behind the Bonneville Salt Flats, and to discover why I like to call the Great Basin the world's biggest cul-de-sac. If you enjoy exploring the natural world and understanding how landscapes are shaped, I'd love to have you along for the journey. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves discovering the stories behind extraordinary places. Bonneville Salt Flats, western Utah. Once the floor of ancient Bonneville, Lake Bonneville. Water covered this entire basin during the last ice age. As the climate warmed, the lake slowly disappeared. The water evaporated, but the minerals stayed behind. Today's salt crust is the result of thousands of years of evaporation. This landscape sits just inside the Great Basin. Water flows in, but it never reaches the ocean. That's why we call it the world's largest cul-de-sac. Everything flows downhill and stays here. The result? One of the flattest natural surfaces on Earth. For more than a century, people have come here to chase land speed records. Geology, climate, time, all written in salt. Bonneville Salt Flats, a landscape thousands of years in the making.